Today we'll be installing our ski storage locker. This is a pretty simple installation and should take roughly 1 hour. The ski storage locker is designed to be compatible with the Flatline rear door platforms, but can be modified for other rear door platform systems. The box comes pre-assembled from the factory and ready to bolt on. Find the hardware pack inside and familiarize yourself with the contents. We recommend using some help to hold the box in place during installation. First, you'll want to determine the height on your rear door platform that you'd like to mount the ski storage locker. You can do this by dry fitting the locker to your mounting surface and marking the best location to attach it to the available mounting points with masking tape. If you'd rather measure, just keep in mind that the holes on the back of the locker are 18 inches apart vertically and 12 inches apart side to side. If you are using a product other than the FVC rear door platform, mark the back of the box to match your available mounting points and drill out 6 3/8 inch holes accordingly. Plug the factory holes with provided hardware. Open the door of the box to access the mounting holes. With some help, line up the mounting holes on the locker with the mounting points on your platform and insert the 3/8 screws and sealing washers, starting with the middle set. Then you can mount the corresponding washers and nuts onto the screws from the back side of the platform. Insert the remaining hardware into the upper and lower mounting holes, in the same order as the upper mounting holes, and attach from the rear of the platform using the same order as the middle holes. Once you've installed all 6 of the bolts and mounting hardware, you can double check to make sure the ski locker is level on your platform and tighten the hardware down to 20 foot-pounds. Place the sealing plugs in the drain holes in the bottom of the box tray. To adjust the tension on your door latches, using a 10mm wrench, loosen the jam nut to adjust the compression bolt and retighten the nut when the adjustment is complete. You can screw the bolt out to increase the amount of compression, or screw the bolt in for less compression. If you need to move the ski and snowboard holder to fit your setup, take a 3/8 inch socket to remove the factory-mounted shelf hardware. Once you have the shelves at the height that works best for you, just reinsert the carriage bolts and tighten down the original washer and nut. In order to assemble and attach the included gear straps for securing your skis or snowboard inside the locker, take the bungee cord and run it around the back side of the hook and back down through the other side as shown. Install the clip on the hook as shown for locking the clip in place. Adjust this slack to your personal preference for tension and run the other end of the bungee cord through the area shown on the shelf. Complete by tying a knot on this end to keep it in place on the shelf. And that's it. If you have any questions with this install process or have any unique fitment issues, please reach out to our product support team for assistance. Thanks for watching.